Welcome to our channel. If you want to dispute an incorrect or unauthorized bank charge, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Review your bank statement carefully and identify the specific transaction you want to dispute. Note the date, amount, merchant name, and transaction details. Step 2. Determine if the charge is genuinely unauthorized or if it's a merchant error. Check if family members made the purchase or if it's a forgotten subscription. Step 3. Contact the merchant first before disputing with your bank. Many issues can be resolved directly, saving time and avoiding formal dispute processes. Step 4. Gather supporting documentation, including receipts, emails, screenshots, or any evidence that supports your dispute claim for stronger case presentation. Step 5. Call your bank's customer service number found on the back of your debit or credit card and request to speak with the disputes department. Step 6. Explain the situation clearly and provide all relevant details about the disputed transaction. The bank representative will guide you through their dispute process. Step 7. Submit a formal dispute in writing if required by your bank. Many banks now offer online dispute forms through their website or mobile app. Step 8. Monitor your account and respond promptly to any requests for additional information from your bank. The investigation typically takes 30 to 90 days for resolution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.